Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Dollar Bank mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in dollarbank.mortgagewebcenter.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Dollar Bank, from where you can apply for a mortgage by clicking on apply now, view all the rates for a mortgage and much more. To sign into your existing mortgage account, click on login at the top right hand corner, and you will now need to log into your Dollar Bank online banking account in order to access your mortgage. Start off by typing in your user ID in the first text box and then type in your account's password. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, check on this Remember Me box. If you don't, you'll need to keep the box unchecked and finally click on Login, and you will be able to log into your Dollar Bank mortgage account. Once you're logged in, you can manage your mortgage online anytime you want, make payments and much more. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.